Elijah and Mobile Road.
What's it this now? What's it worry you? Then do you? That's why for you. What's it Elijah and Mobile Road? Elijah and Mobile Road. No spoil my markets. And why you don't use umbrella? Take your time, oh. I don't like them. Take your time.
Oh.
Elijah and Mobile Road.
I thought it was two destinations, like Elijah and Mobile. Okay, all right. Elijah and Mobile Road. Right? Let's get it. Let's go. Elijah and Mobile Road. Hurry up. We ain't got all day. Best car in the town. Let's go. Elijah and Mobile Road, guys. Professional driver. Best part. Elijah Mobile Road. Last chance. Last chance. Are you going? Hey, wait up. What? Hey! Wait, how the fuck? Hey! Hey, wait up! Hey! Jesus on the wheel!
For this park, eh? No, why they come and get you, Abi? Because you say, short, give me that.
Leave me alone now.
Leave me alone for where?
Leave me.
Give me that.
Come on, your hand for them. Come on, your
hand for where? Eh? Okay. Because I play with you, Abi. Because I play with you. No, why they come and get you? No, why they come and get you, Abi? What's your work? Come meet me for office. But I need to know you.
Why you they come my car? Why they come my?
You push me.
Why they come my?
Yeah! Come here! Come here!
Baba Siko. Hey! Hi! Ogechi! Papa, don't be so. Papa, don't be so.
Who's going to call my name? Why, Baba? Who got they send me, say, man, go buy and something, Baba, I don't die. Why you had now? I don't hear. I don't go cry again. I don't hear. I don't go cry again. I don't go cry again.
Children of Baba Isaac.
Yes. Sorry with that. Yes. We dey hear you. We dey hear you. We dey hear you.
Our Baba don't go. He don't go heaven.
Ah. Oh, Baba. Hey. Cry, you cry. Cry, my cry.
What can I say, Mrs.? Baba don't go. Everybody they vex. Who won't cry? Make it cry. Who get mine? Make it hold himself. Sumba! Where could they go?
When I give me water, I want drink. When I give me water, I want drink. I don't tire. People don't need to cry when I go.
Sumba! Come here. Hey. Stand for there. I want to sit down.
Make I sit down with you now.
Why you not tell me say Baba get pikin?
Me say if I shock or I surprised when I even hear the thing. And I will come your house self coming. So you know there. I won't see you start from there to say Baba tell you anything say whether I get pikin. Come me myself I shock.
Me myself I shock. I won't blow person today. Oh.
Are you serious?
I just said they spoil Baba name.
No,
when you people they're too wicked. Person go die, they go say you get wife, you get children, you get everything.
I
don't know say na true.
He cousin tell me Oga Olawole, where they call am. Wetin he talk o. He say even smart sit down now. I wan tell you something near you. Even say Papa pikin no even dey Naija o.
From where? Where you from come? Hey. Americana.
America o. Hey. Mommy, shock me o.
Driver, are you going? Sorry. Are you going?
I dey go enter. Bobby! No worry, I go see passenger. Nah. Bobby Road! Ilaje bus stop, Bobby! Bobby Road! Bobby Road! Bobby Road! Oya change o!
Ọmọ Igbo, ọmọ Yorùbá.
Wọlé! Hold on, wetin I don pay na, they dey work you.
You don't pay me. Madam, count that, make I see your ticket.
Something when I pay, your blood just dey hot.
Okay now.
And so you dey do every time. Bobby Road! Bobby Road! Wetin dey do?
Wetin I dey do? Go ask council leader.
You dey mad?
Madam, you no dey enter anywhere.
Come for here, enter.
Madam, I dey play, you no dey enter anywhere. Oga, I dey born enjoy.
Ticket for expire, ticket wey I pay this morning. Madam, enter.
Oga, come down, you no dey go anywhere.
Madam, enter, abeg, no mind am, na me get boss.
See, anti-woman supporting woman.
Leave her, pass it.
Anti-woman supporting woman.
Better person enter, na me get boss.
You don't tell me that for them, you don't
Oh, they give false alarm for my...
Come on, I just make them go anywhere. Make I clear you.
Madam, for you, I don't look because of you. Wetin dey worry you now?
Madam, come down, I dey take my gun and dey go there. Madam, you no dey go anywhere. Wait, let me dey beat you for. You no dey go.
Some people say she's crazy. Oh yes. She's a sweet loving darling. In a swash nigga swagger. People say she's crazy.
Ogechi, bang.
Musa, wait.
No.
Waiting. This is why they hype me this afternoon. Waiting.
Ogechi, I just say make I come tell you thank you. Thank you for everything what they do for me for inside this house.
You don't do. No loud damn, you don't do now. Sure. All of us now one.
This one where they telling me say everyone will be one. You make I not thank you, me I will be one. They pursue my fikin for school, you can't carry the money you give me. If it's some time, you say help me. Thank you.
You don't do now. Why they shout? You they loud up. Oh yeah. You go give me that money back. Now borrow, I borrow you. Thank me again now. If you thank me again, you go give me back that money.
Since I say one, no thank you. Who am I? I know we thank you anymore. Thank you. Sorry, I don't thank you. Sorry. No. Look at you. Now 2 weeks now. They know they talk about Baba Beria. What thing they happen now?
I don't know what they happen. No. I just they feel of Baba, honestly.
Hey. I work when they hear say that they talk and say Baba he gets down for one son, they wait for that son. Say the boy that they wait for. The boy they start Ogbonna.
We don't wait for 2 weeks. We never see Baba pikin. That one na pikin. Na audio pikin.
Hey, me say I don't they look and say na audio pikin.
No be audio pikin, na pikin.
Ogechi! Musa!
No?
Ogechi!
Wetin happen now?
Hey!
Waiting now.
Baba burial date don't settle.
I say waiting.
Don't settle.
Waiting. Are you sure?
And they say na tomorrow.
I say waiting.
Tomorrow.
Hey! Shikenan.
Tomorrow! I swear.
Now what? You Too lazy.
I swear.
Come on for my seat, Joe. I'm too lazy.
Make I sit down now. I can't give you nice.
Small news where you carry call. You see the news that I have to wake.
Oh, mom, man. I know they like carrying info. They can't give you.
They'll go there, Allah, please.
They go.
They'll go, man.
I'll go buy something.
Now, every time they buy something, now why you always...
No, sir.
No. Tomorrow. Right, they prepare my cry.
Yeah. Of course, I'm not staying here for long. I'm just here to bury my dad and, you know, sell off his meager assets and move on. Yes, you know I have some debts to pay abroad, and I know selling this is probably not going to pay everything, but at least it's something, right? Yes, I know. Hey, the lawyer's here. I'll call you later, okay? Yeah, the lawyer's here. All right, bye.
Barrister Badmus at your service. You must be Mr. Ray, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Pleasure to meet you.
Same.
Please, I'd love to offer you something, but it's an apartment, so we have no
worries.
water, no drinks yet.
No worries.
Okay, so let's get down to business. The reason why I hired you is because my dad passed away and he left me his will as his sole heir. And my father's lawyer, who is a moralistic person, doesn't really like me. You were highly recommended by a few people that I know, and I needed somebody that I can trust.
I appreciate the trust. Do you have the copy of the will?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
You're sure this is all?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll get it done. I need to take my leave.
No problem. What a pleasure.
Send my money.
No problem. This place is not too shabby. Okay.
The way the thing they do me, make I deck some people right now, Guy, I go deck you if you cry there now. I go deck you. I go deck you.
You don't do. See, this is the vex all of us. It dey pain me enter blood.
By now, they don't go invite us come Baba burial. What did they happen?
I don't call them now. I don't call them since they don't want to tell us the dates. They don't give us dates. They come finally talk say burial na today. They know they pick my call.
I go deck you.
Leave her. Calm down.
They're not going to let us. They're not going to let us send Papa food.
And they don't even give us chance. Maybe we so assured for Papa. Clean up.
I don't believe now that they tell me personal this nonsense where this one they do for you. I show them that because of these guys say they don't invite us. When we go there, when they behave like Mumu Aboki.
Send them go.
Shebi you sabi Baba cousin, his house. Carry us go there. Everybody enter motor over there.
Go. Make a push up.
My friend. Move this photo.
Good day, everyone. My name is Barrister Badmus. I'm the lawyer and the executor of Baba Isaac Ladipo's estate. I expect all tenants to kindly step out of their rooms. We need to discuss. I said I'm the lawyer and the executor of Baba Isaac Ladipo's estate. I'm giving all tenants 10 minutes to come out of their rooms. Kindly adhere to instructions. I don't have time to waste there. If you guys think I'm here to play, you will see the other side of me. And I'm not even joking about it. Because I've been paid for this job and I know what I'm doing. Forget I'm here. I've been paid for this job. So just give me your time so we are not going to have any issues from henceforth.
Musa,
No?
come on that thing for your mouth.
Okay.
Do you know you could be sued for this? I'm a lawyer.
Shut up! You be lawyer, charge and bail.
Monkey jackets. What are you going to do to me? Moibo or Mobaba? So make we just throw this guy inside canal. You say those fish to thank us.
Okay. Can I know what person will use to do suya? Why you do like
Don't hurt me, please. I'm just a man doing his job.
Doing your job. So your job not to sell house where we dey inside.
Can you
Oh,
imagine?
it's not me. That's Mr. Ray. That's Mr. Ray, my client. He asked me to tell everyone to vacate the compound in 1 month time. He wants to sell it as the rightful heir of Paladipo.
Eh?
Mr. Ray. Osharemo. Rayco. Sunlight. Go tell that Mr. Ray Abikiniko, say, you know they sell this compound.
That's right.
Abi, they hear me so?
Meaning you release me, Abi?
Yeah, where you go sleep reach 4 days. You don't be the problem.
Fake.
He will release you. See, I say fine.
Another one. Jara, just put.
Untie and make it they go. If like go police, we go show you say now we get this compound.
I won't go to the police. I promise I'll handle it the best way possible.
Try it first. Try am now.
Very good.
Thank you.
Why they even release these guys there?
Let's laugh. Let's do.
Thank you. I promise I won't do anything like this.
You go come out this shoe.
Carry on. I always say no this.
Don't shoot tight like this now.
If Osha Raymond, I be waiting they call her Kini come. This say now he get this compound because say now Baba get
Sorry.
Hey,
Carry your pango, look come on. Sorry. Make I carry the shoot.
I'm going to forget my hand for your face. They mad.
Phyllis, wait. This thing where we did, we will not go put us for trouble like this.
Musa, I go knock you. I go knock you.
If we don't let you took money, if you call police, you go.
I'm going to wipe your head. This way they do sell your
First time broken way I know where they fear be this.
Very, very.
Nonsense. The only dagger where you go feel is now the dagger where they between your legs.
Calm down. We don't light the fire. We go burn that bridge. Correct.
Fire on.
You resigned? What do you mean you resigned? You haven't even started the work that I gave you, and you what type of lawyer does that? No. You don't get me upset. And you know. Okay. You know what? Let's calm down. I'm sure that we can. Hello? What in the world is going on? How can he just call me and tell me that he resigned? Why is he running like a headless chicken? I have to sell that property before it becomes a big problem for me. What am I to call now?
Your previous lawyer walked away from this case. May I ask why?
Because he was useless to me. And that's why I hired you.
Okay, I see here that Baba Isaac left you a few other properties. Why are you so intent on selling off this one?
A few other properties. Are you talking about those little shops? Those are none of my concern. The main house is why I'm here. I want to sell it and move on.
Yes, but there's a clause. Baba Isaac made it clear that his tenants should be allowed to stay in the house for at least 3 years for free before being asked to move out.
That is none of my business. My name is on the will and I will do whatever I want.
Legally, yes, but you need to wait until after 3 years before you can evict any of them.
Look, I don't have that much time here. I'm here to sell that house and I'm going to leave this country for good. Do you have a problem with that?
Sell the other ones. Sell the other properties. Return to this one when the clause is met.
I see this phone call has been a waste of my time. What rubbish.
Ilaje Mobi Road. Ilaje Mobi Road. Ilaje Mobi Road. Customer. Ilaje Mobi Road. Ilaje Mobi Road.
Okay.
Mobi Road. Ilaje. Ilaje. Ilaje Mobi Road. Ilaje Mobi Road.
How are you? You got your ticket.
Ilaje Mobi Road.
I've been here to do me. Make I see your ticket, Joe.
Wọlé pẹ̀lú change.
You want me to park this car come up for here?
Ẹ ò bá ní change, má wọlé o.
I dey follow you tell you to keep quiet, abi?
Go stop, you dey go.
You don't follow me, abi? Don't follow me, abi? Everybody come down.
I say you dey mad abi. I know say na Tio send you. See that trouble wey dey fight, dey use him head carry am. Come up for here, Joe. Come see.
Shebi na dey say am now.
Come for here, dey craze.
You dey talk about this,
Dey craze.
okay, you go pay for this,
You go pay.
You go pay down for this,
You go pay.
No worry, you go pay for this. Hey, I check when I think that you go pay. Now 50,000 you go pay. Shebi na for here, you go come do here for again now. Shebi na dey say am. I go show you say, I get mad for face. No worry now. Now I go show you something. No worry. I go show you say, I get only for head. You dey insult me, abi? Na me dey fix your ground. No worry. Channel dey see am. When I go start, nobody complain, no. When I dey see am, I will come out this car for years.
I got you. Well done, sir.
How much?
I make 40,000, sir.
My woman, uncle.
Sir?
My woman. How she dey?
Oga, I don't tire for that Ogechi matter. Sorry, Oga. I mean, Madam Ogechi. That woman today stubborn. I even mark X for her kurope. She still carry the kurope, they walk anywhere. Yes, Oga.
So you mean say she gets mind, carry kurope wey you mark red, enter road.
Yes, Oga. She even talk say nobody fit do am anything. He said say nobody will not fit do am anything. Yes.
Arrest any kurope wey get red mark for road. Penalty 20,000.
Sorry, Danny. Make I go sweep front office.
Get out!
Sorry, sir.
Oga. Ogechi. Okay.
but there's a clause. Baba Isaac made it clear that his tenants should be allowed to stay in the house for at least 3 years for free before being asked to move out. You need to wait until after 3 years before you can evict any of them.
There has to be a way.
So you won't really carry this money now, go give Oga to you?
If you won't go, I get choice. Don't get choice now.
Well, maybe you suppose even report him. You suppose get Oga now.
You know how many times I don't report? How many times I don't go head office? They go say write letter. I go write letter. I go business center, do email.
Hey.
I don't tire.
Your Oga to yourself, you not just the fear God at all.
That one no God. You no go church now. You no know God. You know they do anything. You don't even get sense. You no get joy.
The money where you just dey count, just dey vex me.
Anyway, thank you for this money where you keep for me. You try.
And your money now. Say I won't do. Now your money where you give me, I say do business. Who be that one?
Sumbo. Now here you dey. I don't drop your own goodie bag for your domots.
Goodie bag?
Eh.
From where?
Now from Baba Piki, no.
Baba Piki? Where you see him?
I don't want
He same person bring him.
Where in there?
He say he go come by himself soon. But he send somebody make him bring this one.
I bet carry that thing coming for you.
Not be so now. They calm down, eh?
Come on, now. Person wey won't sell this building. Won't sell us join.
Make una dey take am easy. It not really be like that.
I ain't be.
Okay, to remember saying na heaven all of us one go. So take me.
I go break your head. Come on for you.
This thing they affect my eye. Come on, Sam.
No. But Baba Pikin na better person.
Now you sabi.
He even add perfume join inside.
Can you imagine? You don't be Russian with perfume.
You will say, when you come outside, they prepare your eye, be they enter your eye.
You know enter your eye.
Go collect.
I no go collect. If I won't collect, to come on my body, I want to use her.
Okay. If you use her, you go get crow.
I swear be that.
Use her now. Person won't sell you, sell building, won't collect something.
But what's made it? You know if you carry the gifts come by yourself. Pride just full your body.
And you no get shame, you won't collect.
The things I won't collect,
you say you won't use her, they enter your eye.
No, they bully me, not good though. No, they bully me, oh. No, they bully me. Go meet Oga to you. You won't carry money, go give her. Now you all this your grand go use and take. I know they give you any money, but you no agree. They can't money they give her.
How many times I don't give her? You know the frustrate where they frustrate me.
Even though regardless of positive.
Regardless of positive, which one you know? Which is happy? Don't see life. Release my korope.
I will get you, my love. My queen.
Release my korope.
Be calming down. I get chill doings. Which I won't pick my boys ring for you.
I no come here come play with you. I don't pay your penalty. Give me my korope. Make I enter streets. Go make money.
Sit down first, we'll talk.
I no come here come play with you. Count my money, Ogbonna. Make I dey come out for here. Release my korope. Make I dey go.
See, Jaya. Ogechi. I maybe a call at you. And I'd always get anything where I want. And nothing you go fit do about that.
Ogatio, now man you be, you no be God. Now tax collector you be for here, you no be God. Just because say now you get this area, no mean say you own me. You no own me.
Wait, don't go wait. Ma tell you. Go mark today. Date for your calendar. Everything what I want, I dey get. Now why I be one for this pack? I may go marry you. A second wife. Oh. Go for people. Eh. I will tell you that maybe your guts, yo. Number one for this area. I may be Minister of Transportation. Anyone ready Abuja, na counterfeit. Okay. Sweet girl. I like her stubbornness. I can't this money. Maybe you no shit.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I'm here to see the tenants of this place.
Oh, I'm one of the tenants. Who exactly are you?
Oh my goodness, you are one of my father's children. Amazing.
Oh, are you Mr. Ray, Baba's son?
Yes, I'm Mr. Ray. This is incredible. I can't believe I finally met one of my siblings. I've waited for so long to see this day. Wow.
Nice.
Wow, look at that. Wow. It's a blessing to have finally met you all. I've waited for this day all my life.
Now you carry lawyer with waiting you carry again, come here, they can come out us for this house.
You know, Sissy and they cry.
Come on, you know that I'll never do such a thing like that.
I don't want to enter for conclusion. Please, soon I be waiting. I call you now. I don't call her for a gate check.
I don't call her. Say she dey come.
Are you sure?
How would you wait?
Oh, yeah, update. What did they happen for you?
Very good.
Ray thought say, he no say we won't come Baba burial. He uncles them. They don't tell him anything.
Yeah, you call Ed and say, you know, say we won't come for the this forgive us special invitation.
You can talk say, say no be him be one for sure us come off for house so say na that in lawyer waiting even call himself lawyer because of the small money wey the lawyer no like the pusher na him make am.
I lie.
Very
big one. I no believe am.
You know?
Me self not believe.
Correct.
All this talk when they talk, I no feel anything. I no feel am.
You say that.
I get one question. The time where I dey for this compound now since small pikin, I never use eye see you for one day. Why you never come visit your papa?
Oh, yeah, I'm sir.
How can you say such a thing? I have always wanted to come here to visit, but my dad told me that, son, Nigeria is not a good country. You shouldn't come. And finally, when I got the opportunity to come here, but my dad is gone.
No, they cry again, eh? You won't get headache. See what you don't cause now. No cry again, eh? No cry.
It's in me, no cry again. You dey pet am.
Go hug her now. Hug her. Go meet her for there.
Wow.
Go carry am now. Na your pikin. Why you dey pet am? You go give her feed the bottle now. Give her feed the bottle.
I want to say thank you for bringing me closer to my siblings so that we can bond.
That will not be a problem at all now. You be better person.
And Yemisi, thanks for everything. If there's anything I can do, please do let me know.
I'm always ready for you, you know. All you have to do is just ask.
I actually do have a question to ask. That tomboy, who exactly is she?
Oh, you mean that Igbo Yoruba girl?
Is that her name?
No, but that's what everybody calls her. Her name is Ogechi.
Ogechi. I see. She's very influential.
Baba's favorite child.
This Baba son, don't they do like better facing for?
Even myself, I dey even see am. I think so too, say na better person.
Ogechi, which I they think?
I no trust anybody.
Hmm?
Yes, now. Even person shadow. Get time of day we go live am.
Yes, well, which I try talk now, we say, you know, you won't trust us.
Leave that one. That one I talk for another day. I no trust her. I no trust that guy. Which kind of story in they talk? Say Baba family, no tell am say we exist. You no even send invitation card. You no rate us.
Not true.
You can't dey talk story. How that one take make sense?
I mean?
But to me, I dey feel say e actually still dey possible now. Nah, e dey possible. Say
wetin? Why you want say dey possible? Even the time when im Baba dey alive, when Baba dey for this compound, you don't hear him and him pikin dey talk. If him and him Papa dey talk, Papa suppose tell am say all of us na him children. We na him brother and sister. He no rate us. He no invite us. He no rate us. He come there dey talk. And I don't trust that guy.
Father and son relationship, I no see.
I know they now.
Now, wow.
The most what do you think?
If I don't confuse now. I'm not scared.
I'm confused.
You go dey wash am. Don't confuse. You go dey mark am. You go dey follow am steady. You go dey wash am. If you dey move like this, you go move. If you move like this, you go move.
No problem.
Ninja.
Yeah.
Inspector.
If you do one.
Why not go do it? Now, okay, share, command me. I'm at a service.
Correct.
Yes, now. About my name.
It's number one.
Number one.
Even though save me, I don't dey fear.
Yeah, calm down.
See, that guy, I dey suspect him. If he run off street, but if you mark am well, you no go do anything.
If you just try anything, I will just.
Maybe this,
my body way big like I just got to press am.
Maybe this, you press something, you can't go the rest on top. You go tell me.
I won't help you make we beat am now.
What should I cook?
What can I talk with them? You give me money for food.
Okay.
So you know if you cook for us.
The most I know if you give me money, I take some
for
phone
now.
now.
Go shop for our side for nights.
I don't fit so. I
don't hear.
She's Baba's number one, no. Ogechi has been living here since she was a child.
I see. I spoke to her earlier and I don't think she likes me.
Ogechi, the like person. No, don't worry, Jare. As for the other tenants, they already like you.
I see she has a huge influence on the children here.
Yeah, well, that's what she likes to think. But not be so. No worry. You no worry. Road all clear for you.
All right. Anyway, thanks for everything. Yemisi, right?
Yes.
I'll be on my way now. Hopefully
Okay,
I'll see you tomorrow.
You park your car for outside.
Yes, my driver is outside.
Okay, let me walk you to it.
Can you even imagine that? She asked me to move into that dirty place. It's the audacity for me. Do you know all I've been through? The laughter, the pretense, laughing at dry jokes that I don't even find funny. It's been a mess. Yeah. I guess you're right. Anything to sell that place. Yeah, I'll have to do anything. All right. Later.
Oh, girl. Now, Baba house be this, so. Eh? Chai.
Wow.
Still remember the day where Baba take this picture? Baba come be like, oh boy, yo. No see us everywhere clean. Ogechi, they come inside here every day to come clean because you never still won't believe, say Baba don't go.
I see.
Yes, no.
Anyway, so where's the bathroom?
Bathroom? You mean toilet, Abi? Toilet day now. For this passage, now if you just go down by your left, now there the toilet day, now all of us they use.
Really?
I know Martin be that now.
The bathroom is outside?
Yes, nah, no man.
Oh, I see. Maybe that's how you guys bond, right? Like.
Hey, guy, they bust my head. How you didn't know that? No, say they talk, say, sharing is caring. So it happen for you. So all of us, they use the toilet like that. Nothing spoil, nothing to anybody, you know. We just, they do one love.
Everybody uses the same toilet. Wow.
Yes,
okay.
nah.
Okay. All right,
Omo, I know what you want to talk now. You want to speak English now, you go make me go. No wahala, no speak am. Make I dey go. Eh?
All right, thanks.
If you don't rest small, maybe you want shower, you go just arrange bucket, we go arrange you water, you go enter bathroom, you go cool down. Eh?
Okay.
May I tell Ogechi say you don't dey here now?
Okay.
Eh?
Thanks.
Correct, man. Welcome, oh. Welcome.
What? I have to shower outside? How does this even work? Jesus. Okay.
Who is that?
Oh, it's me, Ray.
Hey.
Is it different?
So I was thinking of celebrating like a small party to celebrate my coming into the compound. So I thought of maybe doing something outside, something small. And Yemisi said you could set up something outside and then maybe...
For small party?
Yeah, and get like suya and maybe some drinks.
Suya. No be you go welcome yourself, now we go welcome you. For Baba compound, now we dey welcome tenants. If you get new tenants, now we go do the party. No be you go do am. If you say you get money, you get change now, you want show us. Say
Okay.
you big pass us, I be waiting.
No, I'll...
No worry, we go plan the party for you, we go run am for you. They go.
So I shouldn't chip in at all? Okay.
You say we no get money. Where's Sumbo now?
Omo.
Oh, no vex. I don't bring water. Me will say.
Correct.
Oh, thank you. Hey.
I'll pass it.
Yeah?
You say waiting. Ogbonna, wash your hand, Joe.
Well, my hands are already clean. Why do I have to wash my hands again?
Yes,
You don't want chop again. You no go chop.
And that's why if I don't put your hand inside this gwangwani and wash your hand, I not be part of us.
so
Yes.
Oh yeah now.
Okay, no.
No. Celebrate. No one celebrates. Party don't end. Maybe they go.
No.
Party don't end. Maybe they go.
Please, I'll wash my hands. In fact, I'll wash both hands.
Watch everything. Today, wash your leg.
See?
Good. Contest it.
Wash your hand where?
Good.
You must not dirty now.
Wash your own too.
We are chop amala.
Oh yeah, everybody put hands.
Put hand first now.
Wait. Pray first, so we go pray.
Make I pray.
Who go pray for us?
Lord Jesus minus death.
Which kind of prayer be that? Aboki, oh yeah, pray.
Everybody, close your eyes and carry your hand up. Don't touch food. Amen. Oh yeah. No complaint.
How Musa pray I take better pass my prayer now.
Why no one put your hand? Chop it now. You are food. You want that one?
I don't really understand how you will do something. Oh yeah now. You don't go put your hand inside the food.
Why you not take amala? You touch the soup.
She's a real-time hustler, full-time driver. From Keke to Danford and Koloke. Protective and supportive, no free talk about. Try that you can come to the loss. And what I say within that Danford just say.
Oyibo no like pepper. Oyibo pepper, we don't like pepper. This one I like champagne, no.
Musa, I'll give you a photo. Musa.
Oh yeah, they chop. Una know they chop.
They smile as they eat the food, you hear Igbo?
They smile, they chop her.
They smile.
He dey laugh.
Jeez, what is the meaning of all this? She is so annoying. I mean, everybody else is, but she's most annoying. I can't believe I have to put up with this. But I have to because I have debts to pay. Look, I am going to get back at you, even if it's the last thing I do, because this is mine and I'm going to take it. I cannot believe they made me eat from the same bowl. Ew, I feel like throwing up. Ow. This is too much for me. Yeah, driver. Come back, pick me up, please. Take me to the apartment. I need to take a shower and change these clothes and wash my hands. All right, thank you. Savages. Jesus.
Yeah?
Good morning. How your night now?
Yeah, I slept very well, thank you.
The amala sweet you now. Sweet you die. Well done, no. I say make I bath now. As I dey boil water, I say make I run small hot water for you.
I don't
As new compound member.
I don't understand.
I say make I give you hot water to bath now. You no go bath.
No, I usually don't like to shower early in the day. I'll rather shower later.
I boil hot water for you. Ogechi boil hot water for you. They speak English. They form my hand.
I'm just trying to say I'll rather shower later in the day because it's usually hot in the afternoon.
Ogechi boil water for you. Hey, Ogechi boil water for Ogechi boil water for you. This boy don't turn our compound member picture. Yes, sir. Compound member.
You know fit. You know fit be one of us. Maybe they go.
Wait.
I say you know fit.
What happen?
You know one be part of us.
No fit.
You know one be part of us.
Boil water, I say I shower.
Burn you. Ogechi boil water for you.
Mama of all mamas, it takes boil water for you, you share yourself. What mama? Something do you?
The whole Ogechi.
I know one.
Boil water for you. Let it put that. What is it? Come back. No, move out. Come
It's Keys Montana City.
All right, I'm done.
Oh shit!
Yes, exactly. Look, technically, she's like the godfather. No, scratch that. She's literally the godmother of everybody in that compound. Yeah. To win her over, of course. I mean, if I can win her over, then of course, man, I have to. Because technically, she's the only one that can convince the rest of the tenants to do exactly what I want. But look, dude, it's not going to be easy, man. She's really tough. Have you met her before? Okay, fine. I'll try and win her over. What? So, what, you want me to seduce her? Are you kidding? Did you hear what I said? Have you seen her? She looks like a guy, though. Look, this is gonna be tough, really. All right. I'll do whatever it takes. All right, man. Talk to you later. Got it. Let's go. Hey.
What did they find for my donuts?
Well, I was wondering, since we're both Baba's kids, maybe I could help you out.
Epa. What do you sabi do?
I mean, whatever it is that you do, I'll help you. You know, I would be there, like your, you know, like your friend or your sidekick.
Me and you no be friend.
Look, I know that this is Lagos and everybody hustles, and I know you have a hustle of your own. I just want to help you.
You know what thing I did do? You na Ajebota na. What do you feel do?
I'm trying to show you that I'm tough. Whatever it is that you want me to do, just ask me, I'll do it. Okay? I'm your sidekick today, okay? What? So, can I come? Wait up.
Oga, I better calm down. I got give me my change, though. You just, Oga, calm down. Hey. I don't understand. How much I give you? Just be patient, man. What's wrong with you? What's our give us change? I don't give you, bro. We're going to reset your brain. Calm down. Hey, give me for your brain. I'm giving you your money. Just calm down, man. Give me my change. Give me my change. What's your problem?
What did they happen for you?
I don't understand this one.
Leave her now.
You reset your brain before.
They do you.
You don't give Bill to reset your brain before.
Ogbonna, leave her. What did they do you?
Now, I'm not supposed to hear you.
Shut up. I must be your change. I must be your change. You know what?
Ask her. What did they do this one?
How much is this change?
You dey do cannot, I no sabi calculation.
Said it was 800 naira.
It's 800. Oh yeah, una too. My una safe. They go.
Go sit down.
Go share
I
her.
got save it today. I don't know where you get that. Lucky. I got save it today. Now, the other guys are go higher.
You don't do.
They speak English.
You don't do. Enter. Enter, where they go? They do chest. They do chest. School boys. Education is good. Education. Person where they work go chop.
What is this for?
Now what now? As you be VIP, you be butter. I say make I respect you small. Make I give you correct water.
So is this what you do for a living?
Yes.
Wow.
Before na keke I dey drive, I can't upgrade to downfall. My downfall can't break down. I say make I do korope. Now I dey do na my hustle be this.
But how? Is a woman supposed to be doing this? Isn't this too much for you?
Too much. You know who woman be? Woman strong now. You think say woman no fit drive bus? How they talk am? Wetin man fit do? Woman fit do better.
Yes, I understand that, but what I mean is that...
You want make I dey kitchen dey cook?
Well, yeah, why don't you just do something else?
Don't make me vex. Now my hustle be this.
Oh, okay, I see.
Until further notice. I get dreams. I get other things where I would like to.
It's not a problem. So where are we getting our next customers?
Huh? Yeah, I know they catch you. Like I say, those boys not jack you well. And they carry you go out.
Let's go, I got you. I'm your sidekick. Let's go.
I better not speak this English for outside here. You go run me streets. You go spoil my market. You go talk small, like Niger boy. If you know fit talk, just keep quiet, they give them their change. You know sabi mass. You just calculate their change, they give them. You know they talk. I don't know why these people want to shoot me today.
Elijah and Mobile Road! Elijah and Mobile Road! Elijah and Mobile Road!
What's be this now? What they worry you? Then do you? That's why for you. What's me Elijah and Mobile Road? Elijah and Mobile Road! No spoil my market! And why you dey use umbrella? Take your time, I don't like am. Take your time.
Oh.
Elijah and Mobile Road!
I thought it was two destinations, like Elijah and Mobile. Okay, all right. Elijah Mobile Road, right? Let's get it, let's go. Elijah Mobile Road. Hurry up, we ain't got all day. Best car in the town, let's go. Elijah Mobile Road, guys. Professional driver. Best Elijah Mobile Road, last chance. Last chance. You go. Hey, wait up, wait. Hey! Wait, how the fuck? Hey, wait up! Hey! Jesus on the wheel!
Who be this Ogechi? This Arubayi girl. Ogechi strong woman. She na korope driver. They say what a man can do, a woman can do it better, better, better. Hey. Even if not to drive korope, a woman can do it better, better, better. Korope, korope, baby, baby. Baby, korope, korope, baby, baby. Korope, driver, baby. Korope, korope, baby, baby. Hustling, baby, baby. Korope, baby. Korope, driver, baby, baby. She's a local lady, not too much grammar. Some people say she's crazy. Oh yes, but she's a sweet loving darling. in a swash nigga swagger. Oh yes. People say she's crazy. Oh yes. Oh yes. Korope, baby, baby, hey. Baby, korope, baby, baby, korope, driver, baby, korope, baby, baby. Hustling, baby, korope, baby, korope, driver, baby.
Thank you, Mr. C. Now, which kind of thing is this now? So now, what I want to shop be food. Ogechi! You see why they know they do things with lovers. You see that love now don't spoil my belly. You see these kind of things. Ogechi! Even the race safe. Now, a better person, truly, oh. A better person, be guy they try. You get one thing where we say English, they talk that time. They say may you know judge a book by cover. Not true, actually very true. I don't see him.
So why they speak English for this hot afternoon, so? What did they bring this talk? What did they bring her?
I don't understand. It's not bad thing for me to speak English. I dey even see some kind of thing safe for Natsu. I dey see Natsu small connection.
I beg stop am. Which kind of rough play be that?
Stop waiting. Stop waiting.
Come on for that place, Jack.
Even though I know say MC they use style they shook.
But she collect am now. If she want her, if they enter her, make she carry the guy go. What's I will carry and do?
If you they do things, they think of your children. If you do that, if you and that guy do something that your children go find, you don't see you for mirror.
Na fine man go chop. I dey find money. You say na fine man. I go chop am.
Hold on tight. That's my
beg.
advice for you. Piece of what? Advice.
I better lower your voice. Don't they talk that kind of thing for outside.
You know they ever they see true. It don't do. Calm down. Not good. But the advice you they take out for your heart is very, very okay.
You see the tennis.
Oga, you know say me I know sabi lie. I never lie.
Go straight to the point.
Oga, now wetin I see. Now me they talk. You see that Ogechi? You see that conductor? Now Ogechi boyfriend. Yes.
You know wetin they call boyfriend?
I know that.
You get girlfriend?
I get girlfriend, I no girlfriend. I no get girlfriend, sir.
So this simple work where I give you, see me you go collect money for person hand, ask and small. You know fit do am. And you can't give me this kind of information.
I'm sorry, sir.
Not very sorry. How? Ogechi. Boyfriend. Go check. Who be that person?
Who?
Don't check who be the boy!
But, okay, you know, sir, I get small work where I did do.
It's small?
Sir.
Daniel?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
If you don't come up for you in the next 5 seconds, I'll kill you.
Sorry, sir.
Ogechi. Another boy. Get mind! Get boyfriend. You won't bring shame to me. It not gonna happen. It not gonna happen. Come to me, I get to work for you.
I thought you wanted to fix the car today.
Don't be mechanic I dey wait. I dey wait for mechanic now. Smoke this food. And my money never completes.
So, if your money's not complete, you want me to pay for it? I mean, it's...
Now me supposed to give you money. You be my boy. You dey work for me.
I mean, it's no big deal, but... Anyway, I have a question to ask you.
Then tie your mouth. Then tie your mouth. Ask me now.
Your money is complete.
Now the question be that.
So, rather than get an education, why did you decide to do this? If you don't want to answer the question, it's fine. It's okay.
I no get head for book. But you see machine. I be machine perere. Hey, you see this motor like this? 2 hours. Now 2 hours I tell you now.
2 hours?
Eh, nah.
Wow.
Machine perere. I mean.
So nobody taught you how to drive? What about your parents?
My baba died the time when I small. Male marry. But she no fit carry me follow body.
You mean to tell me that your mother abandoned you?
Nobody fit abandon me. She just leave me. She no abandon me.
So my dad has been taking care of you all this while?
Yes, now. Hey, your baba too much. That man na angel. Na angel wey God sent from heaven for me. That baba, your baba, na better person. Since the time when I small till now, I never pay rent. Now he go give me money, make I go market, I go buy food stuff. If I come back, he go enter kitchen, he go cook. Before we go chop. Since the time when I small, na angel him be. Correct man, no. I life, eh?
Now don't they wait you?
Don't tell me you're getting soft.
Look, I'm not. It's just pitiful that those people get to work so hard and they have nothing to show for it.
Bro, you sold your dad's small property and now only the house remains. Stay composed. You can't reopen your business without paying at least 50% of the debt. Selling the house will be of big help to you.
Yes, I know that.
Have you spoken to any of the tenants yet? I remember you told me some time ago that you speak to some of the guys.
Yeah, I plan to do so and also tell them that I want to sell the place. And maybe give them a small percentage.
Yes, just as we agreed. You tell them that you will split the money 50-50 and take one part and let them have the other part, which we both know is impossible. You are going to disappear once the money enters the account. Ray, are you there?
Ray, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Listen to me, Ray. I'm your lawyer, so you need to listen. Sell that place and get the hell out of there first.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Borisha.
So tell me, how long have you been living here?
Don't maybe say 10 years. Like say 10 years.
10 years.
Mm.
So you met Ogechi when you started living?
No, Ogechi. Don't and like since when we dey small now, who knows Abi Ogechi? We dey call him that Igbo Yoruba girl. You know why? Because we believe say na papa original pikin Ogechi be. We don't know the woman we born her for am, but they just want to confuse us. That's why they can't give am Igbo name.
I see.
Let me tell you.
Okay.
And when I even think of am like that, hey, we can't realize say that Ogechi na correct girl. They can't suffer. We Ogechi suffer when she be small. That woman where we been think say na im mama can't live and follow for Kirikpo Waka. See this pokemon, eh? Come carry the mama go Italo. You can't leave Ogechi for here. Only Ogechi can't dey here. But of course, now Baba try. But Ogechi hustle. Ogechi come buy one downfall like that. Can't they use the downfall, they hustle. Small time, the downfall can spoil.
Wow.
Now all of us gather, try to repair the downfall. We try everything where we feel the downfall no agree here. Now one night, hey! Ogechi just land. It's one cha-cha korope.
What?
He tripped into Abby. So, the girl they hustle, that girl they enter places. Now she can't use the korope, they hustle now, they hustle. Since then, no, she managed the korope reach now. Nothing happened to the korope. But the beautiful thing and the good thing I see every night when you come, you always get when you come, come rest your head.
I see.
Yeah.
So this place really does mean a lot to her.
Not be only to Ogechi, to all of us. She say, Papa know the collect rent for our hand.
Really?
Yes, now.
So you live here rent-free?
Papa for you be that now. Papa will they take care of all of us as if they will be your pickings, all of us together.
When you was, waiting now, Musa. Waiting. You don't carry up for Ogechi. You don't carry up for Ogechi.
What's Ogechi?
They call and say now, the Oga of dogs. Hey, now he carry for Ogechi. Since the Oga be that now. Maybe the Oga is that thing. He carry what Ogechi. Where would they go? Oh, you watch where would they go? When I watch them now, what do we do? I know boy that they go say I wicked somebody. Oh, he was.
Oga you.
Ogechi.
Wetin be this now? You don't keep me here 4 hours. 4 hours. I don't be your prisoner.
I like the way your face dey. Look, I get proof where they with me. Where I take no say, if I expose her, go comot you for this transportation business, kwata. Yes, I like that your face. Look, so all this while, you dey carry korope enter road where the brake pad no good.
Wetin this one they talk? My korope dey road. I dey wait mechanic. If they come fix am, una people just come they harass me.
You don't do. And my problem with you be this. Every time cho. This small thing now, you get solution. Yes, solution there.
See, Oga you. If you want to accuse me where? No, they go through the corners. Wetin you want? Wetin be the problem?
Wetin be the problem? I will tell you. Who be that boy where you dey carry for your korope up and down? Who him be?
How that one take concern you now?
You concern me, oh.
I take concern you.
Oh, let me say that true. You don't get boyfriend.
If na my boyfriend, uncle, wetin happen?
Oh, so na true. This way you talk say you don't get boyfriend, na true, abi?
You no get wife. Why you don't get wife?
I don't dey watch you from small. I don't dey hope say I go get you. Before God don't bring you enter my business. You can't call my transportation line. I say na me go marry you. Now, you can't tell me say you don't get boyfriend. Ow!
See, no they put your eye for my body, oh. No they put your eye for my body.
No dey put eye for your body.
Give me.
Look at the talk. Look me. For the flame talk, look me.
Wetin dey worry you?
Wetin dey worry you?
Wetin dey worry you?
Wetin dey worry you? Yeah.
See you again.
Okay, she don't get talk. Oh! Now I'm telling my position for this place, abi? Ismaila!
Hey, Are you okay? How's your hand? Does it still hurt? Does it hurt? Hey, where are you going?
Come off my front!
Where are you going?
I want to break Percy's head! Akorope, that's the only thing where I get for this life. I don't get shoe, I don't get bag. I don't buy clothes like other girls. That Akorope, that's the only thing where I use feed myself. That's the only thing I use get myself. I don't get anything again. I don't get anything. I don't get anything. It's like all this life. What am I gonna do?
It's okay.
What am I gonna do now? When I'm finished.
It's okay. It's okay.
Who did it? Wetin dey find? No get work today now. Work no day since. Work no day today. Oh, wetin dey find?
What if there's actually work for you today?
How that one take dey possible?
I went around in search of a new boss, but couldn't get one, so I got a fairly used one. Hopefully, that works.
You buy boss? You buy Korope?
Yes.
I manage now.
It's yours. Go ahead. I mean, I know that your last boss got burnt, and see that as a blessing in disguise. Come on.
How you think do this one?
It's yours. The boss is outside. You can come and see it if you want.
When love enters the place, everything will change. You are tough, but love is tougher. If for now, it's unexplainable.
Yes, of course.
Because now, how much you take by am? I go pay you, even if not every week.
Come on, you don't have to do that. As long as it makes you happy, it's yours. It's free.
Gonna pay cost now.
It's fine. It's yours.
Don't worry.
It's unexplainable.
You buy me Korope? Thank you.
I could never believe that love will catch my heart in this place.
What did they happen for you? 1 or 2 days old.
I could
Eh?
You buy me Korope?
Rape. Buy you Korope.
Let me see you there, Hey!
You both pay too much. See this man.
Thank you.
I don't think say this man be like me, Papa. Father like too good.
Hey, you try. Congratulations. You don't go pay transport.
For waiting now. Come out your hand from my group. Let me see.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Too good. Fine man. Hey.
Soft touch, the one they walk.
Hey, yo. Thank you very much, Oyibo.
You're welcome.
What's happening? Congratulations.
What? You withdrew some money from the sale of the shop to buy her a bus?
Look, Okichi is my friend.
That local chick? The one who lives in the slum and drives a deadbeat bus for a living?
What are you talking about? Don't you talk about her like that?
Listen, I get it. You've gone soft. You're getting sentimental. But don't forget why you are there. The goal is to sell off all your late father's property and come back to the state.
Understand the goal, if that's what you call to tell me. I understand it.
Well, it might not have been a bad idea to have gotten her a boss. Now that you have her trust, use it. Get her to persuade the tenants to move out so you can sell the house. I'm saying this for your own good, Ray.
Are you done? All right, then I'll talk to you later.
Hey, what do you come and make I suggest like this now?
They ask you what you go suggest. They ask me what you go suggest.
You fit buy the guy wristwatch now. Buy a wristwatch, you buy him clothes, singlets, singlet and boxers. You even buy a face cap, safe.
Make I buy boxers for person wey buy me boss. You dey listen to yourself.
No vex.
No be ingrate with that.
Now what you get now?
And why you?
For me, sef, I no go expect that thing from real. The guy na good guy, try yo. I swear.
Off me. Now why I want 10 cam now? Eh? See I go do like this. But the guy be like stream, he be like ocean. Wetin my small bucket of water go
add? Do safe. And now why they you already get money, now why they I get one idea like that. I get what you if you do. You just dress up. You see this thing where you put for body, like say they go shrine. You know if you wear them if you won't go. You wear better clothes so.
Wait till do my dressing.
You know where you dress up into go dress up. You go take and go treat. Go treat them. Go give us some kind Niger, you know, something. Don't go wear this kind of thing. They go meet man. You know good.
I mean, wait, no, they talk that thing. Wait till do my clothes. Wait till do my clothes. I go give a treat. That one it makes sense. But say I go come on clothes, so I go wear this. Wait till this jalabia. Wait till I don't even know what they wear. No talk that one. No go there. Wait till do my clothes.
I won't help your life now.
You say I look like person where they go shrine.
Now, see what you wore. See what they your ear. You come on this nose ring where they bottom of this place. It's too big.
Not to do my dressing. Leave that one. I will carry and come out. What do you call her? Treat. I will give her a treat.
Anyway, you dress up, you go dress up. You go dress up. And he go dress up, you carry and he go come carry.
Why you come dey shout the dress up? I don't hear.
When you know they like this kind of thing when you dey wear, so you know
advice why I say make you give me. You go dress up, you go dress up. You want come out my knicker? Wait see.
See human being.
Yeah?
Hey.
Hey.
How far now?
Ogechi, are you okay?
I did right. I did bound.
Do you need anything? You want me to accompany you to work?
No. We're never ready for that one. We're never ready.
Okay.
I see they do papers, I fix them. They arrange everything.
Okay.
Thank you, You too much. So, I've been want to ask you whether you get plans for this evening.
I don't understand. But no, I'm not going anywhere tonight.
Okay. But you get fine clothes. They suppose they ask whether you get fine clothes. Sorry. I don't say you get fine clothes. So they try to talk with me. I won't take you come out.
Okay.
So just ready. 6 p.m. No, 7 p.m. each. I go show.
So you want us to go out by 7 p.m. tonight? That's fine. I'll be ready. Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you once again. That chairman you be. It's too much.
Okay. All right. That's it.
A day beaming light, I am falling for you. I cannot explain what I'm feeling for you.
Ogechi, is this you?
This is what you now. Before.
What? No.
When love enters the place,
Namina. Hey.
You look amazing.
Thank you. Don't mind those girls though. They talk say make I wear coat for a shoe. I know fit. That thing too strong for my leg, I beg.
I really love you.
You like her? Yes. Now why they look me like say you never seen me before? And they do you. You don't do now. No, they look me. You never seen me before. Where they go?
Are you ready?
Yes, now. Where they go? What do they wait for us?
If it's unexplainable.
Well, thanks for bringing me out. I really did enjoy dinner.
You sure? You enjoy it?
Yes, I had the best time.
You sure? Because I bring you here, make you enjoy yourself. Make I use and say thank you for all the things we don't do. You see that bus where you buy for me? Hey, bust my brain.
See,
too much.
You don't tell me thank you, tire. You know they tire.
Say American now. So they speak pidgin.
Well, thanks for your compound brethrens, I learned a few things.
American, I don't speak pidgin. Yes, But wait though, I would like to ask you a question. Now, so you did do? You just verse, they throw away money, go buy boss for this kind period. Just do Baba burial, just buy boss. Now, so you did waste money,
No.
they throw away money.
No, please. Look, I work with you, remember? And I see how important that boss is to you, so it's nothing really.
No mind that got you, now so the man they do.
What's the history with you and him?
Me and no got you, we no get history. Nothing concern me, concern now with history. We no do anything. The man just they disturb me, one duck. He won't collect. Small time he say, hey, Ogechi, you find no corner, make I tap current, I sweet I this one. I no send the guy. Because I no send the guy don't they frustrate me. Who collect my key. If they drive for bus, he go bust my tire. If they send people to frustrate me.
That's really wrong, and he should face the law for it. As simple as that.
The law. Not be today, not be only me do this thing. Now so all the women, you don't chase them come out for park. Law no dey motor park. They no get law for motor park. Now anyhow, gorilla, anyhow, yaga.
Look, regardless of that, I feel he's put in the position to serve, and he should face the law if he's doing otherwise. It's as simple as that.
True, you be Baba Pikin. Now today, I believe say you be your Papa Pikin. Now so in the talk, now so you go to encourage me, say, Ogechi, you fit do and no worry. Everything go do all right. They encourage me, say, no worry, justice. They fight for justice. Now today, I believe say you be Baba Pikin. Sorry, oh, no verse. Say I did doubt you. No verse now. I did doubt you before. I say you just won't come, you know. You won't collect the house. I say now why you come.
Okay, we came here to have an amazing dinner, right? So let's not change the narrative, okay? I think it's getting late, so we should maybe call a taxi and start heading home.
That was safe day. Waiter, bring beer now.
Why are you shouting? I've already paid for the bills. Let's go.
What did I do you now? Why you fall my hand? I bring you here, make I say thank you, make I appreciate you, make I show doings now. Come in for my hand. Who asked you when you pay? Who sent you? Who sent you when you do that one?
I think as a gentleman, you should always pay for the treats of your woman. It's common practice.
Your woman.
It's getting...
Serve you with gentleman. Oh, wow. You funny.
So have you called a taxi yet?
I don't use the other taxi. They no show. Network failure. You do anyhow.
Do you want me to try?
No try now. Yeah, day for here we go leg out. Where will they go?
Really? You know, if this was the US, it doesn't really take that much time to get a taxi. That's true. Why haven't you ever considered coming to the US?
Come to US.
Yeah.
Make I call United States of America. Wetin I defy for them? They born me for here now. Now for here they work. Now for here they chop. They do my boss, they drive. Wetin I want for that side?
But you told me that you're into machines. And if you come to the US, I'm sure they have industries that you can work in. And I'm sure you do well.
How you tell no say I dey into machine? They listen. They pay attention.
It's hard not to pay attention to a woman as beautiful as you.
She's a local lady, not too much grammar. Some people say she's crazy. Oh yes, but she's a sweet loving darling in a swash nigga swagger. People say she's crazy. Oh yes.
Hi. Ogechi, you kiss man. Wait. Ogechi, you kiss man.
Thank you, Mr. C.
Hey! You're so magnificent. Who be that? Who did there? Who be that?
It's me, Ray.
Come inside.
So, are you ready to get to work? I mean, work, get customers, drive, make money.
Yeah. Make money. Also. I'm ready to work now.
Okay.
Make I go bath.
Oh yeah, sure. I'll be outside.
Where they go? Oh, wow. I saw man be. Hi. Nkechi, stay focused, focus. Dey focus, na money we dey find.
Wetin be this one?
Na my motor registration document.
For wetin?
Oga you.
Mm-hmm.
But see that they use motor registration too. Abeg, do the thing where you supposed to make I enter road.
Which
I want
road?
enter road.
Which road I dey ask you? My road? Blind no get sense.
No be you get road though. Now government build road for everybody, for all of us. Now all of us get the road. Okay. So you must give me my number.
Or what? Answer me. Or wetin? Wetin go happen? And now I confirm say you no get sense. You don't forget say na me be oga yo. Na me be all one for this environment. That's how they play. After I burned out your first boss. You think you just bring another boss again, I just carry salam, you enter this road again. No enter this business again, no. No possible.
So you get mind, they talk all this kind of thing, Abi? You get mind, they confess, they talk all this kind of thing.
I talk.
Now you born my boss.
Yes! And I go born another one when you will come again. The only solution, as I tell you, I must make sure say I must chop you before you enter this business. Else, get out, come off my office. I mean, I go show you. I go show you. What's up? What's the police coming for here?
He who laughs last, laughs best.
You shouldn't be laughing. I don't understand.
I'm ready for you, come. You see say you get sense. They hear you for police. They hear you for them. They hear you. See them. They come. They go arrest you now.
Why you do like this now? See, Ogechi, na joke at the joke. Na joke at the joke. Me, burn your boss. I go burn your boss. See, your boss, they my house. Look, I go send my boys. They go bring a call for you. They go bring a call. I'm not joke at the joke. I go burn your boss now. I don't feel burn your boss.
Yeah, man.
Ogechi.
Come carry on.
Okay. Obi. You face off in Kende. Ogechi. Allow me now. Ogechi, pang, pang, pang. Yo, what we think of him? Ogechi, bang, bang.
Calm down now. Don't be me, oh. Don't be me who not supposed to sing for.
Why you not go sing?
Nah, who not supposed to sing for. Wallahi.
Oyibo Pepe.
The guy too much.
Yeah.
Wallahi.
Boy.
It's okay, you don't have to.
No, I go mention now. It's good to go school. And it's good to know Percy wey no Percy wey get Percy. And Percy wey gets you get Percy. Yeah. It not be for rape. I no fit carry this korope enter road. You know my story now. You know everything where I don't pass through. He guy, he leg long. He call person wey end the matter. The matter don't finish. Everywhere don't clear. Road don't clear. No get chikama. I don't know that celebrate break.
Okay, I go one thing for real. Make I compose one song.
Compose.
Make I compose.
Sweet, I go give you a pack.
Oyinbo.
I will give you a pack cut now.
Your own now only upper cut. You know sabi there now cut. With the place now, you want the spoiler with up white cut. Oyinbo.
It's sweet. Alarm.
Choke.
I know best. Who supposed to dance? Oh yeah, make I do this one. Oyinbo, 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 pasoloma, oyinbo, 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 pasol, oyinbo.
Look, you no go sit down now. Give your back cut.
I don't know who's doing here. I suppose give me dollars.
Nabi.
Wọlé pẹ̀lú change ẹ̀. Tó bá ní change, má wọlé o. Má wọlé o. You na correct person, sha. So, as it don't be now, if you enter road this night, we go make small money.
Really?
Yes, na.
I don't mind taking a ride with you.
Which ride?
It be me like I am falling for. I cannot explain what I'm feeling for you. You may be strong. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah.
Why you sneak enter your house?
Hey. I didn't want to wake you up. I saw you sleeping peacefully.
People don't dare outside.
Not yet. I think there's like an environmental thing going on.
Mm. Okay, now, make I go my room.
Do you really have to go?
Yes, now. Let's go. Before Musa go say, Ogechi, I think inside room. Make I go.
I don't want you to go.
Hey, don't start now. You do voice like that. Eh? Make I go and beg. Don't they use your voice, Abby? You want to do your voice like this? I know it is a thing. As our eyes.
She's a real-time hustler, full-time driver. From Keke to Danfo, then go to way. Protective and supportive, no free talk at all. If you try, then you can count it on the loss. And honest, they within that Danfo, just say. Hustler with the dreams, we get love to give. She can hide it all in, but you can see through her. Oh, aye, kumbai. Aye, kumbai. Aye, kumbai. Kumbai, kumbai.
You won't come downstairs. Where they go?
I'll see you when you get home, okay?
Really? Don't they walk up and piece of cow?
All right. Okay.
Come there, go. See how specific fine like today bread. Hey, sweet mango. Shy.
Ogechi. You're here? I didn't know you were coming back so soon. I bought some noodles. Are you hungry?
You forget your phone for Moto.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Is everything okay?
So all this why? You just want to enter inside my pints. Now pecus you won't collect.
What are you talking about?
I see your message, oh. Person send you message. Say me you do quick, do a sharp, sell the house. Hey, Ogechi, you be fool. Ogechi, you be fool. You be big fool. I be big fool. I mess up. I think say you be better person. I don't know, say that devil you be.
Ogechi, please, I can explain this.
Explain wetin.
I can't.
No worry, no explain anything. No explain, give me. Now you get house. Now you get compound. Now you be owner. I dey come out, I dey go. No call me, oh. No call my name.
Ogechi, come on. Okay. Ogechi. Ogechi. Ogechi, come on. I know you're in there. Open the door. Ogechi. Yeah, what time? Just let me know. Hey, I gotta go. I'll be right back.
See this
one. Okay, Jacob, can you sit down, please? Can we talk?
Ha! Hi! I saw you be. Take.
What is this?
You not go open now. They ask me question.
Wait. Where did you get this letter from? This letter's from my dad. How did you get this letter?
Why you know the answer, Oga lawyer? You don't they call you since when you call collect this letter. Why you know answer? Why you so wicked? Why you too wicked like this? I go see Oga lawyer, tell her say I dey pack comot because of all the yeyeti way you want do. Only for Oga lawyer to tell me say your baba leave this house for us for 3 years. He give us this house, make we stay for 3 years for free. Now you won't chase us comot. Because you won't sell the house because you say you be wicked person. Ha! On top of all the America where you go, all the America where you there, you know rich, you know there enough for you. Won't collect this small 3 years where Baba keep for us. Hey.
Okay, can you at least...
No call my name. Anything where me and you don't end, don't scatter.
Please,
don't finish.
Can you allow me to explain?
Explain us.
Ogechi now. Which kind of play be this one now? 3 days now, person never see you. Ogechi!
Come out for my door now, waiting. I dey park come out for here, waiting.
Which kind of talk with that one now? Where you dey park go?
I no one day this house, they go come bulldozer or they go sell me joy.
No now. Ogechi, no now. Now wetin carry me come your domot be that now. See, good news day. All of us dey outside. We won't give you the good news. Abeg, come out now. Make we yarn you the good news. Ogechi.
I no wan hear. They go.
Why they behave like winch? Don't start your witchcraft again, Abi.
They go.
No for my hand, though. No for my hand, though. We dey outside. They wait for you, oh. No for my hand, though.
Wetin na?
No, Musa dey come. I don't come, Musa.
Why na dey call me? I want to come up for
Musa dey
you.
come. Musa dey come. Musa dey come. Aboki!
Wetin dey happen?
No, we never tell her. Never tell her. Oyinbo just give us house. Stop now. Stop. He no give us house. He talk say we fit stay for as long as we want as per how the agreement been dey.
Na the same thing.
Not be the same thing, Olodo.
And he miss you. If I like to see you. Bobo like you. Ogechi, kama. Ogechi, kama. Ogechi, kama. Ogechi.
Ogechi.
Ray. Wetin happen now? Why you go give us house? Say make we no pay rent. Wetin happen?
I would like to talk to you, but I think you need to sit down first. I don't know how to start this, but I guess it's pretty obvious. And nothing else. And I know I plan to sell the house and clear my debt at home because I took a loan and I really needed to pay it back, and selling the house would have helped me with that, but I kind of felt you guys needed the house more. So I'll have to look for another way around it.
Another way out. But they inside trouble.
I want you to know something. I never really had a fantastic relationship with my dad. My mom said that my dad abandoned us. And he never came back. He never cared for us or anything. So my plan was to come back and sell everything that he ever owned. That was my plan. And every time I brought up my dad's name in front of my mom, she would tell me never to repeat his name again. That he's a very terrible person.
No be Baba o. Baba na angel. Na better man. Na very good man with kind heart o. And you know say me, I know they carry last. As time Musa make you investigate your matter. And Musa, he go do him finding, do him research. You know say Musa, you know get wetin you know they say forget. So as you go do research now, you find out say you get one deal where your papa do with one of his friend for that side. And it be like say the guy, some people hold him, he can't mention your papa name. Now so they can't deport your papa. Meanwhile, your papa dey very innocent o. Na him dey deport your papa. Your mama dey vex. Say your papa put him hand for bad thing. Say she no wan get anything to do with am. She no gree make they call you, make they talk to you. From there, everything just scatter. No be say your papa no love you. But as your mama cut you off, he say may it just be. Now so he come dey adopt us, they go. We sef, we no even know say he get pikin for that side. Na good man. Your papa na good man. And the way I don't see him, you sef na good man. Your papa gets good heart, and you sef, you get good heart. So the two of you now one.
And to think that as a response to the way my dad treated me, I wanted to come back here and sell everything. I would have been wrong. Look, Okechi, I want you to know that I am not a saint. And I know what I wanted to do was wrong because I knew it was going to benefit me and maybe leave you guys homeless. But even if that was my intention, none of that worked because I met you, Okechi. I met you and you literally changed my life.
Hey.
Okechi, I watched you. You had nothing. And yet, every day you go out and hustle and make things happen. You are strong. You are resilient. You get up every single time you fail. And these are virtues I've always wanted for myself. And I see those virtues in you. And this is why I'm attracted to you. Okechi, this is why I'm in love with you.
You love me? Ray, how you won't take love me now? I no go school. Me and you know, balance. You go America, you be Americana. You go school, you fine, you fresh. You be like butter. You go see other women wey balance like you. Not be me, I be local girl now. If you love me, I know say you go leave me. So, I just compensate myself, say at least we get good memory. Because it come me like say all the good things. The good things just they leave me, they go. So.
Yes, I plan to leave to the States because I already made up my mind and I have nothing here.
I know.
To look forward to, but Okechi, not until I met you. And I want you to know that I'm willing to change my plans and stay here a little bit longer. But Okechi, I don't think I can leave you behind. Because I have feelings for you. So, what I want to do is to postpone my trip and spend more time with you so that I can prove to you that I have feelings for you and see where this takes us. But before I do this, Okechi, I need to know what you feel about me.
Me, I love you. Ray. I love you, Dio. I don't say me I dey form hard girl because I dey used to they do things on my own. I don't get anybody. So now why are they do? As I they come like this, my mind they shake. Say you don't leave me. Say you don't already go America. Just say make I come check. I love you. He does do it. I go miss all of you now.
I dey up your transistor radio.
You know, we go out by yourself. You don't open. Sure.
Honestly.
We say make we dey use Musa radio. they enjoy ourselves more.
Thank you. As me and my husband.
Who go kill your passport now?
He don't do wait, make I talk, Joe.
Make una comot dey go.
As we dey comot, they go Yankee.
Una dey go. Make una dey go. Make una dey go Yankee already. Make una dey go.
They don't even allow people like us, maybe.
We'll think about it. We're gonna shock you with love.
Well, I think what my wife is trying to say is...
This one's free to you. Talk am again.
That even if we're leaving, you will forever be in our hearts, and we'll be back to visit.
Yes, go come back, oh. I go miss you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And hey, one more thing before we come out for here. I want to hand over my korope to my dear friend. All of you are my dear friend, though. Yeah. But I want to hand over my korope to my wonderful friend, Sumba. Thank you. You're welcome.
You be friend. Thank you so much.
You, sir. All of you are friends. Thank you.
You go driver.
I beg you, all of you know say Sumbo. She dey like balance like care woman. So maybe that they put eye for her body, help her with the korope business. Yes, now. No, na dey help her.
Talk like that now.
I go do it for your conductor. No, I say I go be your conductor.
I tell you, you go do be, I know they do. I know they do, I go find person.
Now, what they give you, you don't put some people. Even the one that will give you some people, not like that.
Thank you.
You look amazing.
I never will say thank you. I never will do. I never will do.
Oh, I'm there too now.
I go miss all of you now.
Baby, korope, baby, baby, korope, driver, baby, korope, baby, baby, hustling, baby, baby, korope, baby, korope, driver, baby, baby. She's a local lady, not too much grammar. Some people say she's crazy. Oh yes, but she's a sweet loving darling. In a swash nigga swagger. People say she's crazy.